All right, friends, I'm in Huntersville, North Carolina. Downtown Huntersville, about 20 minutes north of Charlotte. Let's take a little walk around Huntersville. Let's see what Huntersville has to offer. So a lot of people asking me what I'm doing in the United States, and it's a good question. Truth is I had some skin cancer on my chest and on my face, and I need to get it taken care of. I need to get that sorted out, and I need to check on my mom and do some other things, but hopefully I'll be back in the Philippines very soon, because I miss the Philippines. America's changed a lot. I still love it, but I'll give you an example. When I came to America, I jumped in the car, I went to McDonald's for the dollar menu. There is no more dollar menu. I went to the dollar store to buy some supplies. It's not $1 anymore. It's $1.25, $1.50. So just in the year and a half I've been gone, a lot of things changed. America's gotten very, very expensive now. This is a nice little town. I've never really walked around this downtown area, so let's just see what we can find. It's a small town America right here. That's what I like. Oh, we just missed a fire truck. He took a left. It's the Huntersville Town Center. Go this way, see what we can find. Pizza by the slice. Ooh, that's how I like it. Video game world. My friends tell me that the Philippines has been raining. I'm glad I missed that. They said several typhoons came through. They said Pampanga was really flooding in some areas, so I missed the Philippines, but I don't miss all that rain. Hello.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good, thank you.
Good. It's a little bit cold this morning. It's probably in the 60s, around 62 degrees or so. I'm just guessing. That's what it feels like to me. It's September, so by the end of the month it'll be really getting cold. October will start to get cold here. Oh, look at this. All this is under construction. Apartments here in the United States have gotten outrageous. Like, it's nothing for a one-bedroom apartment to go for $2,000 a month. Nothing. That's in a small town, not even a big city. Big cities you could pay $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000 a month, depending on your taste. But apartments in the United States is outrageous. Food's outrageous, and I'm sure cars are outrageous. So I'm sure the American dream is still alive and well, but you're going to have to work hard and be real disciplined with your money if you're going to make it in the United States anymore. It's just so expensive. Huntersville Elementary. This is my first time ever in downtown Huntersville. But this is typical of a small town American town. It's a beautiful old house. So I'm gonna go see my mom tomorrow, see if I can help her get some things sorted out, and then I gotta go clear across the country next week. I got some obligations I have to take care of. Then hopefully in a few weeks I can return to the Philippines. And this time I'm going to travel down to Mindanao. Hopefully travel to Mindanao and some other places. Bring you some more films of the Philippines. Now this is a nice neighborhood. Goes the fire truck. City bus. New construction all over the place here in downtown Huntersville. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.